All right, hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today I'd like to talk about our big purpose. I'd like to talk about what it is that we are here doing together. Okay, so keep in mind there is tremendous, I don't know another word to use, but something like tremendous joy and happiness that comes from being a part of something that's bigger than yourself. There's tremendous joy and happiness in working towards a common goal with other people who have the same intentions. And there's tremendous personal satisfaction and accomplishment that comes from building skills and getting better, especially when it comes to health concepts, and especially when you're doing it with other people. And there's a sense of comfort in knowing that you can be vulnerable and open with others as you're trying to figure all this stuff out. I think that is so powerful to have a place that you can be vulnerable and ask for and receive and give help. All right, so the reality is that the majority of the people that we work with are trying or have tried many of the popular or fad methodologies to get better and to get healthier. And yet there always seems to be a sense of uncertainty in what they're doing. And the reality is that most people are confused, misinformed, or at least unsure of what they need to do to be truly healthy. And this certainly was me, and it certainly was all of us. So this is what our big purpose is. This is what we're here to do together. We bring together people who for most of their lives have been lost and confused, or at least unsure when it comes to what to do to be healthy. And they're now seeking clarity and confidence in the right things. And so we are here to learn health concepts together, to put those concepts into practice through experience, through experiments that we will do together, and we want to support each other as we go through this entire process. And so we basically bring clarity and confidence to the people that we work with, to the people that are seeking the truth through education, experience, and support. And remember, we are doing this so that we can be happy and healthy and confident in our bodies and confident in what we need to do to be healthy so that we can live our most amazing lives possible. We are here to rediscover how we were meant to live. Now, the way that we typically do this is we have a monthly theme. Within that monthly theme, we usually have weekly or every 2-week seminars, something to support that monthly theme. And within that monthly theme, we typically have daily or every other day or most days questions, polls, people posting recipes and comments and sharing experiences, and things that we can do to kind of engage with other people, okay? So that's our big purpose. That's how we're doing it here. And what I'd like you to do as a homework assignment is read the text associated with this brief course and just pay attention to how you resonate with those different statements. And then we will see you guys in the next video.